Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be drawing and painting an adorable owl using basic shape like oval shape, circles, rectangle and triangles. For this painting, I am using Himi watercolor and Himi brush. We will draw big oval shape for the body and then two triangles for the ears and big circles for the eyes and again smaller circles inside the eyes. Next, two oval shapes on each side for the wings and small semicircles inside the wings and smaller oval inside the body for the belly, and that's it. For this painting we will use different shades of the brown, and for the head and the body parts we will use a lighter brown shade, and for the beak, ears and for the wings and even for the edges of the owl we will use darker shades of the brown. For creating darker shade of the brown, you can mix a bit of black with a lighter brown shade. Oops, I forgot to draw the beaks of the owl. So you can simply add a small rectangle shape between the eyes and that's it. I have used bright blue color for the eyes and mixing a bit of black and purple to create a darker shade for the upper part and yellow ochre as a frame for the eyes. And you please make sure to leave a small circle whites to highlight the eyes. For the tree branch, I start with a lighter brown shade and add touches of the darker brown here and there to give it a natural look. And the leaves are painted in fresh green color. And that's it, our owl is ready. Feel free to explore creative colors and make your owl as bright and fun as you want. Thank you.